Good morning, everyone. Over the past few days, many of you would have had concerns about your safety while in our hospital during this pandemic. Yes, sir. We all have that concern about the safety of our health as the pandemic is widespread and our family members are concerned about us as well. I would like to hereby assure you that our hospital has taken all possible measures to provide complete security and safety to all staff members and for the patients and visitors as well. We have decided to put our trust in ViroSil's 30 years of excellence with ViroSil HospiShield, a 360-degree solution. It is an eco-friendly, non-alcoholic, non-toxic, non-carcinogenic and non-mutagenic disinfectant. Its fast-killing action eliminates 99.9% viruses, germs and bacteria in just 60 seconds. And its long-lasting Swiss formula lasts for 24 hours. Its 5-in-1 action is cost-effective and time-efficient too. We are using the hand sanitizer at all entrances for the staff and visitors, the floor cleaners on every floor, the aerial disinfectant spray in the wards and operating rooms, the fumigant in the AC duct and the surface disinfectant spray on the operating tables and surgical equipment. Wow, sir, just one product for all these uses? Yes, each ViroSil solution bottle comes with an applicator kit, which contains a surface disinfectant spray for surfaces, an aerial disinfectant spray for air, and a hand sanitizer bottle for hands. We will use our own mop and bucket for floor cleaning and fogger for fumigation. ViroSil HospiShield is formulated specially to disinfect apart from air, hand, floor on surfaces of pathology, blood banks, general wards, ICU and OTs. All we need to do is dilute in different proportions as per the application. Just 5% for hand sanitizer, 10% for surface disinfectant, aerial disinfectant and floor cleaner, and 15% dilution for fumigant. With that, we will have everything ready for the hospital. This single point of action is 10 times more cost effective than buying 5 different brands. Oh, you will be using ViroSil? Then I feel completely confident. After all, it was ViroSil that helped my colleague effectively disinfect his clinic with ViroSil Clinic Cleanse to ensure the safety and security of all his patients, visitors and staff. We shouldn't have any concerns then. Thank you, sir. ViroSil का साथ, ViroSil का भरोसा, कल, आज और हमेशा. ViroSil HospiShield is available in 1 liter and 5 liter value packs, each with an included ViroSil applicator kit. Virus karo kill only with ViroSil. For more details, visit virosil.com.